In 1987 I had arranged for a group of Australian rail enthusiasts to visit China because at that time there were still plenty of steam-hauled trains on the main lines. The highlight of our trip was visiting the Datong Locomotive Works in Datong, Shaanxi Province. This was the last producer of steam locomotives in the world. These are the photos I took at the locomotive work. I mainly shot film, but haven't yet located where that is. By this time, they were still making about 300 Xian or QJ2102 locomotives that were still commonly pulling both goods and passenger trains. Around the factory was still a lot of Xian or JS282 locos that were being used as workhorses. As part of our visit, we each got to drive a JS loco and were then presented with our commemorative Chinese steam locomotive driver's licenses, which I have never been able to put to good use.